Tukon ka breaking news which ka Somalia chala ne shaji Ethiopia dang diok shakanak which ka Somalia shakanak winimi ka Somali puntland ka shane tungwan shaka kep ti shati dian jak kaisis which in winimi shan madan lero de chan jakulu gwich gwasame kabraja dana shalat ka Somali puntland wa she need to la Somalian she can Ethiopia refugees wa yankan ka dweshkan ka kamachkan kwakien ne rekona la refugees tente ka Somalia neme wa chicken Ethiopia and chicken ga kabang. According to Ethiopian resident in Puntland, violent, arbitrary arrests, beating and looting targeting Ethiopia refugees and migrants have intensified in several cities including Garowe, the regional capital, as well as Bosaso and Kalkau. Eyewitness report that the violence began on 26 January 2025 when an Ethiopian national was killed by government security force. Shikaran Ethiopia, Chikanek, Milaran Kume, Milaran Ethiopia, Duno national Netamo, Ladine Kanak, Ran Ethiopia, Chikarajamo, Chikana Lat. The following day, 2 more Ethiopians were reportedly beaten by the public and killed in Bosaso. You can Somali Puntland. Puntland resident who requested anonymity told at this stand that the killing were linked to accusation that Ethiopians were involved with the terrorist group ISIS, known locally as Daesh. Kenene TG Ethiopia shunkan kelka ISIS mimogi kejen wakach chicken chunka ISIS an organization our terrorist organization Misha Jiguno may lie. Ethiopian do not have a link with the ISIS. It is just a publication in order to beat Ethiopian and to kill Ethiopian Somali Puntland and Winimi. Chikalado dong take Ethiopian Metkaneda to Shalaro Shajan. The resident questioned the targeting of Ethiopian, stating there may be Ethiopian involved, but punishing all Ethiopian under the pretext that a few individuals are linked to this group is not justified. Alakan Deutsch Canadian dialectic around Ethiopia met Timet Kaisis, Jen Robran and men Deutsch Canadian men refugees region with me. The Puntland administration security force have reported detained thousands of Ethiopia. Native Kiniki Ethiopia Chaka Kapka Chaka Janatamare region Guatemi Kasamali Puntland. The resident added in Garowe alone, more than 500 Ethiopians have been imprisoned by the government authorities. Chanedi shopke kudang diech rewuje winimika Garowe wachaka yian. He said, claiming that those detained are civilians with no known link to army groups. Wayanaka banka telekatet kamandan le rode. Alo telekatet ketin kon lat ko yanaka bang na me jere kadana tuok ka Ethiopia antintere which ka Somalia Puntland jen duobrana chala no mo ege ken o kan taken killing ISIS which is lie and propaganda lo chaje kono jen away me gor kano big just Ethiopian be ken ka yar ka je na me jen la dana chala gwasame ne jok chaga na ki Ethiopia chana la Ethiopia dang jok chaga na ka jen Somali lan mo Somali Puntland jen dana go de nyaye ke betamal